Okay, Frenzy Quick Fix Repair Kit. These are the bits that you get in a Quick Fix Repair Kit. In order to repair your broken Frenzy wand or DeBird wand or any of the other similar makes of wand toy, you'll need the repair kit and a cigarette lighter, or if you have one, a chef's blowtorch. These are the things I use. The blowtorch is much better, but very few people have them, so we'll use the cigarette lighter. So you get your broken DeBird or Frenzy wand. As you can see, the eye is snapped off this one. There should be a excuse me, I'll try to get things under this camera. There should be a little eye on the end that the cord ties onto that's snapped off. With a Flying Frenzy wand such as this one that's broken, you can actually leave that piece on. You don't have to remove it. You can put a new one over the top. It should fit over the top of it. You'll only be able to do that once though. Once if you repair it once, next time you'll have to at least take the first repair piece off. What I would do is cut the you see a wider bit just there where there's a loop embedded in the plastic. I would cut it off just there. It should cut off with just scissors. If you get just past the end of that bulked out bit where the loop's under the plastic, the repair kit will then slide on easier. Again, you don't have to do that, but it makes it easier to get this bit on. Right, so the first thing you need to do is to attach the little swivel. That's this piece here. You need to attach this to the plastic tube. So you just put that into the tube, so that the loop is sticking out, and then using your cigarette lighter, heat up the plastic. Keep the flame moving all the time, so it doesn't burn it, and you'll see that the plastic will shrink down onto the swivel and grip it. So that's it, shrunk down onto the, see how it's shrunk round the other loop of the swivel and holding it in place. That's the first part done. Next you need to tie the snap hook, which is this piece, onto the end of your cord. So put your cord through, so it's doubled over like so, and then just tie a knot in it. You'll need to pass the long end of the cord through the knot because it's difficult to get the snap hook through. So just a simple knot in the double length, like so. So it makes a loop through the eye. You need that little loop because you need this to have some movement. You don't want it tied tight onto that eye. Thank you, Toshi, for your assistance. It's not really required. So that's that piece done. While you're doing that, that's given this part time to cool down again. So that's now completely cool and set rigid. So the next thing to do is to attach this to the broken wand. So you get your broken wand. If it's a DeBird wand, remove all the red plastic thing on the end that holds the cord. Take all that off. So you've just got the bare wand, and then slide this over the end of the wand, and then again using your lighter, just heat it up while at the same time turning this round, and heat it up gently along the whole length, starting at this end and shrinking it down towards this end. You'll see, you should hopefully see it shrink as I do this. So turning it in the flame, or just above the flame, and you see it starting to shrink. I'll do a little bit and then stop and show you. See how it's starting to shrink down onto the existing piece of plastic underneath. So we'll just continue like that. Of course the lighter's decided to stop working now. So just continue in that vein all the way down until it's shrunk all the way down the new piece of plastic. If you're doing this with a cigarette lighter, unfortunately a side effect of that is that it will get sooty and black and quite dirty. You can see it's a bit sooty there. I'll show you even more in a second. I'll just get a cloth to wipe it, and you'll see. Just get a little tissue. No, actually, it's not as bad as I thought it was, but it does tend to get a bit sooty on that, and you might get a bit of black on your fingers when you touch it afterwards. But it will wipe off, and then it's fine. So that's the one part repaired. Now you've got the loop on the end again, which is a swivel, so it stops it knotting up. All you need to do now is tie the cord with your snap hook on, exactly the same as with the snap hook end. Just pass the cord through the eye of the loop and then tie a simple knot in it. You have to pull the whole cord and the snap hook back through the loop of the knot, and there you go. That's your wand now fully repaired, ready for tormenting your cat with. So that's the quick fix repair kit instructions. Any problems, just drop a post in the comments below and I'll answer as soon as I can. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.